Hi everyone. So today I'll explain how to calculate the sum of all the numbers in a given range using Python. When we talk about range, we mean starting from a specific number and going up to another number. So for example, if we want to find the summation of range 3 to 7, we want to calculate 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So first, we ask the user to input the starting and the ending number of the range. See, so here start is the first number in the range and end is the last number in the range. We have used int to make sure the inputs are treated as integers, and since we will be performing mathematical operations on them. Later, we have initialized a variable called sum to 0, which will store the numbers, the sum of all the numbers in the given range. Okay, so then we write the for loop, which is the core logic for I in range, which is the starting number start up to end plus 1, right? Because we know that the range function stops just before the ending value, and we don't want that. We want the last value to be included in the summation as well. That's why we did plus 1, and we can do plus 1 only if it is converted into string, into integer, and not on string, right? And then by the same trick we are going to do sum plus I. Okay, so what it does is, for the loop starts, the for loop starts from the start number and goes up to the end. We use plus 1 in the range to ensure that the loop includes the number end, because range in Python stops just before the second value. Inside the loop, total sum or sum adds each number in the range to the total sum. Okay, so the loop runs through every number from start to end, adding them together. Lastly, what we are going to do is we are going to print the sum. Okay, and we are going to run it. We'll take the example which we took. We'll take 3 and the end will be 7, and the range is 3 to 7, and the summation is 25. So to summarize, we take two inputs, the starting and the ending range. Okay, we use a loop to add all the numbers between the start and end, and we print the total sum after the loop finishes. That's it. This is how you calculate the sum of numbers in a given range using Python. I hope the explanation was clear. Thank you for listening.